Video classes of DAV Public School CCL Grade D. Myself Ashish Kumar Sinha, and today we shall learn about the various formatting tags of HTML. Okay, look at this page. Okay, these are plain text. Okay, and this is bold text. Okay, this is bold text. And bold text is deep in color. You can see it. Bold text is deep in color, and these text are italics. These text are italics. Okay, and this text is red in color. Okay, my dear students, you can see the beautiful font style. Okay, this style is different from this. Okay, and you can see here. Okay, see it, what a beautiful picture. And the text, this text is uh, yellow in color, this is white in color. Okay, this is red in color, this is blue in color. Okay, some text are bigger in size and some are smaller in size. Okay, and my dear students, you can do easily it when you will create web page. Okay, and you can see here, when you open a website, and in web page you can see the different color of text, different size of text. Okay, and some text are bold, some text are different in color, some text are different in size. And you now we can now we have to learn how to create this type of web page. Look, this text is bold. Okay, this text is bold, and this is underlined. This is underlined text. Okay, and look, how can we do it? My dear students, this open your notepad and type these HTML tags. Okay, to create your text bold, italic and underlined. Okay, so we type here HTML tag. Okay, within angular bracket. Okay, this is a container tag, so it is a starting HTML tag. This is closing HTML tag. Okay, and within HTML tag we write head tag, starting and closing head tag, and within head tag we give title tag, starting title tag, closing title tag. Okay, and we give the title learning formatting tags. You can give any title. Got it? Now we use body tag here. Okay, and within body tag we use three tags: B tag, U tag and I tag. B is used for bold the text, U is used for underline the text, and I is used for italic the text. Okay, so here I write this is normal text. Okay, and we give BR. So BR tag means break, it breaks the line. And we write, and this is a bold text within B tag. See here, B is used for bold the text. Okay, so whatever you write here will be bold or deep in color. Okay, now again we use BR tag for next line. This is an here we use U tag. U means underline. Okay, so we write here underlined text. You can write anything here. Whatever you will write will be underlined. Got it? And next we use BR tag for next line. This text will be, now we use I tag. Okay, and due to I tag, whatever you write here will be italic. Got it, my dear students? So save the file with HTML extension, like give your file name with a.html, b.html, and see it with the help of web browser. Okay, my dear students, in this HTML program we use a presentation tag, that is font tag. Look here, this is font tag, and font tag is a container tag. It is used to set the text color, text size, and typeface of an HTML page. Okay, and look here, HTML, this is closing HTML. Now this is head, and within head we write title like that program, and we give the title learning formatting tags. Okay, my dear students, within body tag we use font tag. Within body tag we use font tag. My dear students, size is the attribute of font tag. We can use the size 1 to 7, but within quotes. Okay, color equal to red. So font is a tag, and size and color are the attribute of font tag. And we write here, this is some red text. So this is some red text. When you will open the file, then you can see it, the color of this text, whatever you write here will be red in color, and size will be 3. Okay, now we use font size equal to 2. Here we use size equal to 3. Here we use size equal to 2. You can use any number from 1 to 7. Color equal to blue. You can give the name of any color to change the color of text. Okay, and now see here, again we use font tag, but attribute is face. So font face equal to Vardhana. Okay, you can use Arial, you can use you can use any other face. Okay, you can use wide Latin, you can use Arial. Okay, you can use any color name. Okay, so whatever you give the face name, okay, the style of text will be changed. Here we close the body tag and finally close the HTML tag. So my dear students, save the file with the extension name HTML and enjoy to change the size, color and style of text. Got it?